Hey, Rose.
Hey.
Hey, Rose, it's Friday, January 9th for a few more hours at least, and I've had a lot of glasses of wine tonight, so we should probably do another episode of Drunk Science! It is 5 degrees outside, which is also negative 15 degrees Celsius, so I thought I would do some cold air science experiments. For my first experiment, balloons! I wanted to test... Where'd my wine go? I wanted to test Charles' law, which states that if pressure is constant, right? If pressure is constant, then temperature and volume are directly correlated, meaning if the temperature of a gas goes up, then its volume will also increase in a directly correlated way. Science. If I take this balloon and use this handy dandy balloon pump, I will inflate this balloon inside where it is pan Rose. It is exactly 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 21 degrees Celsius. Pan. I'm going to use this to inflate this balloon, and then we're going to mark on it 1 inch. Okay, first we need to inflate the balloon. And then we're gonna make a mark on its equatorial circumference of 1 inch. My fingers are too fat or something. I don't have a ruler. I know that a piece of paper, printer paper, is 8.5 by 11 inches, so I just like guesstimated an 11-inch ruler. Yeah, I'm cool. Here we're gonna make a mark on this balloon. Goodness, science. We just need to take a drink for pause for just a moment. Okay, a 1 inch mark. But you know what? I feel like we also need just kind of like cute things. I'm gonna make like a little heart. You wanna draw something, Rose? Here, you draw something.
Lips.
I drew a wiener. Now we are going to take this balloon that we drew all over, but most importantly has our scientific marking on it with our ruler, and we're going to go outside where it's much colder, and we're going to measure its volume, or I guess the circumference of, so we'll figure that out later. Oh god, there's a guy pulling in right here even. He's going to watch our science. So, as is life, sometimes things don't go quite as planned, and I thought this would be like slightly more of a dramatic change in the balloon. If you look, it has basically gone from the line going from 1 inch to about 15/16 of an inch. So it has definitely changed, but it has changed much more slightly than I thought. So we'll say 15/16 of an inch. It has lost 1/16 of its circumference. I was hoping we get some shriveled up little old, like scrotum looking balloons. It didn't quite go that way. Thank you very much. It's not good for your health to be cold and drunk because alcohol allows your blood vessels to dilate, which allows heat to leave your body faster, and when it's really cold outside, that can be very dangerous. So Rose and I have actually been keeping very good close track of time, and we haven't been staying outside for more than a couple minutes so we don't get hypothermia. Now I have these bubbles, and my thought is I think it's cold enough because the bubble skin is so thin. If we blow a bubble, I think it should freeze, and hopefully we can watch that happen, and that would be really cool. So we're gonna test this with our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles bubbles gangsta status. What's up? Here we go. Okay, bubbles. Oh my, they're running away. Who's the lucky bubble? Who's the lucky bubble? We need to make new ones. Those ones didn't work out. Let's start over here. Maybe I'll catch it into the camera screen. Oh, it popped. Perfect. Got one. Okay, it's not freezing. Oh, I can see kind of some sparklies. Yeah, it's swirly, but it's not freezing, which is a problem. Come on, it's not gonna freeze? This sucks. None of my experiments are gonna work? Ah.
That's cold.
Oh man. Oh, that's cold.
That's cold.
That's honestly a great thing to say about science. Wait, let me rezoom in here. That's a great thing to say about science, is that sometimes things don't go at how you plan at all, and everything fails, and then you have to start from scratch, right?
Yeah.
Rose has been over here this whole time. Hey Rose, look at her cute little hat. Okay, so bubbles are a fail. Wait a minute.
What?
We have there's another thing.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Jumbo
Dun, dun, dun.
bubbles. Dun, dun, dun. So there's like no chance that these are gonna work at all. But whatever. Oh, that wasn't a jumbo one. Here's some jumbos. Oh, it popped. It's most definitely not working. Bubbles live. Oh man, this is beautiful. What a great night. It makes me want to be Kristen Wiig from the Lawrence Welk show. You know? As is life, sometimes things don't go according to plan. Here, Rose.
I know.
And so then you go inside and get warm and think of something else to do. Yeah! So nothing went right. Oh, this is string? I said I needed string. Rose read my mind. Except I said it out loud. This will do perfect. I have another idea. Don't fret. Science will prevail. It might not be outside though.
Wah, wah.
Wah, wah. Okay, so here's the deal. There's an ice cube here. Wait, slide it over this way. You know what an ice cube looks like. This is an ice cube, and this is just regular water. So here's what we're gonna do. This doesn't have anything to do with cold air, because apparently it's not as cold as I thought it was. Just everything decided to go wrong for me tonight, but this is gonna go right. God, I hope so. Otherwise, I'm gonna be really embarrassed. Here's a piece of string. It's a very nice blue color, actually. We're gonna get it wet in this. Okay, here's my idea. This wet string is going to make contact with this ice cube, and you can do this with salt, but I think we can do it without salt. But if it doesn't work, we can put salt on it. Tequila shots, am I right? Okay, so we're gonna put the wet string on the ice cube and give it a chance for hopefully the water in the string to freeze! Look! Some science worked! Okay, let's get this mother in focus. God, that's beautiful. Look at that science. Oh, that is some hot science. Something worked, finally. Oh man. Well, America and the rest of the world. Well, planet Earth. The lesson we learned here today is that sometimes in life, things don't go how you think they're gonna go at all. And you want to impress people and think that you could do science. But science is a tricky mother. So maybe this video didn't go according to plan, but you know what is going according to plan, and very well, our new channel, Nar Movies. Check it out. If you liked this video, then you'll like that. And if you didn't like this video, it's probably because this video went horribly, and I promise those videos don't go horribly. There's only 2 of them right now, actually. So, I'm making big promises and failing and letting people down again. I need to get off camera. Rose, we'll see you on Monday. Goodbye. Also, I'll see you right now. No! I thought you were gonna throw it into my mouth.
I was trying to get it in your shirt.
Thanks.